I'm going to be showing you a switch case that is good for going going out to parties or anywhere. Like if you want to take your Switch, it is a good switch case to use while you're going anywhere because it comes with this little thing for like your Joy-Cons, like extra ones. Like if you don't have any on, you can put these on. So it also comes with a 16-pack for your games. You can add some games inside of your game instead of like traveling with these little red things and just adding your games inside and having no space to put them. You can put them in here and it folds and you can just put your Switch inside and mark in the zip. There you go.